Good morning, children. Welcome back to next session of English subject. So far we have completed 2 lessons and a poem. So today I would like to start chapter 4. Let us see the title of the lesson. The Dolphin and the Shark. The title is The Dolphin and the Shark. Dolphin, shark, both are aquatic animals. Aquatic animals, sea animals, children. So let us see what actually is going to be happen with the dolphin and the shark. Yes. Before I start a lesson, I would like to give you a task. Make a list of 5 water animals. Make a list of 5 water animals. Share your list in your WhatsApp group. Okay, children? I will give you the answer next English lesson. Okay, children. So here, the dolphin and the shark. This is the story about a shark and a dolphin. A shark and a dolphin. About the magical experience that they have one day. The dolphin and the shark's magical experience. It means one day they experience it magically. Magically means differently. So let us see what happened to the dolphin and the shark. What is the magical experience? What they experienced. Was it real? Do you think, children? Was it real? Let us first listen the whole story. Then you tell me whether was it real or not real. Okay. Before I start the lesson, I would like to introduce characters of the lesson. Here the characters are dolphin, alligator, frog, raccoon and shark. These are the characters. But I would like to tell you that there are two main characters in the lesson. They are dolphin. One is dolphin, the other one is shark. Okay? Yes. Let me read first page. Listen carefully. What am I reading? Only then you will be able to follow the lesson. Okay, children. Start. Once upon a time, there lived a shark named Simon and a dolphin named Dudley. They lived in an ocean not too far from a beautiful sandy beach. A tall lighthouse and a dark murky swamp were there on the beach. Now, Simon and Dudley knew each other, but they weren't the best friends. Dudley had 2 sisters and they played together and took care of each other. They were very happy in the Yes. Once again. Once upon a time, there lived a shark named Simon and a dolphin named Dudley. They lived in an ocean, not too far from a beautiful sandy beach. A tall lighthouse and a dark murky swamp were there on the beach. Now, Simon and Dudley knew each other, but they weren't best friends. Dudley had two sisters and they played together and took care of each other. They played very happy in the cool blue water. Yes. If you observe, children, there is a new word, that is lighthouse. What's the new word for you? It's a lighthouse. L-I-G-H-T, light, H-O-U-S-E, house. It's lighthouse. Means a tower with a flashing. A tower with a flashing light. Flashing light. A tower with a flashing light at the top to guide ships. See, children. This is the lighthouse with the light. Lighthouse with the light, children. If you visit any beach or sea, there you will definitely find a lighthouse. Definitely find a lighthouse, that is a very long, broad construction pillar with the light on the top. There will be a light, it would be rotating, moving around. Means the tower with the flashing light. The tower with the flashing light, that is lighthouse. Next one, murky. What is that? Murky. What is murky? M-U-R-K-Y, murky. How does it pronounce? Murky. M-U-R-K-Y. Here R is silent, children. Murky. Murky means dark and dirty. Dark and dirty. Murky. Murky means dark and dirty. Lighthouse, murky, swamp. What is that? Swamp. What is the meaning of swamp? S-W-A-M-P, swamp. S-W-A-M-P, swamp. Swamp means soft and wet land. Swamp means soft and wet land. That is called swamp. Okay, children. These are the three new words so far from the page number 1. Yes. Look here, children. See. This is the title of the lesson. And you can find out, see the first page of this lesson, paragraphs. Okay? Yes. Quickly I explain you the gist of the page. Dolphin, Dudley. Dolphin's name is, here in the lesson, the dolphin's name is Dudley and the shark name is Simon. The shark, Simon, and the dolphin, Dudley, are two animals which they live near the beach. Which they live near the beach. They live in an ocean. They live in an ocean, not too far. Not too far from the ocean. Not too far. Yes, not too far in the sense. Once if you imagine the beach or the ocean, the shore, I have told you, the seashore or the ocean beach shore. From there, they live very close. They live very close from the shore. It means they do not live so far from the seashore. So far from the seashore. Yes. From a beautiful sandy beach. The beach is beautiful and sandy. A tall lighthouse and a dark murky swamp. I told you there is a lighthouse with a tall murky. Murky means dark and dirty, and there is a soft and wet land. Soft and wet land is there, children. Simon and Dudley knew each other. They know each other, but they are not best friends. They are not best friends. They knew each other, but they are not best friends. Dudley had two sisters. Dudley the dolphin had two sisters. Dudley was playing happily, spending time with her two sisters, children. Very happily play. They play in a cool blue water of the ocean. Cool blue water of the ocean. All of three, Dudley Dolphin and his two sisters, they play happily in a cool blue water. Okay. Next, children. Hope everyone understood first page of this lesson. Okay. Now, let me continue the next page. See, children. This is the next page of the lesson. Okay. Now I read para by para. Para by para. But Simon swam alone. He had no brothers or sisters and no one to play with. This made him grumpy, and also he would spend his days swimming lazily, feeling sorry for himself and just being mean. Once again. But Simon swam alone. He had no brothers or sisters and no one to play with. This made him grumpy, and so he would spend his days swimming lazily, feeling sorry for himself and just being mean. Simon's favorite hobby was to attack Dudley and his sisters. He would dive deep in the water, lurking near the bottom, and then when he saw dolphins playing near the surface, he would swim as hard as he could towards them and try to bite their nails. try to bite their tails. But the dolphins always saw him coming, and they would come up out of the water, stand on their tails and whistle and giggle. They always managed to keep just out of reach of Simon's big sharp teeth. Once again, Simon's favorite hobby was to attack Dudley and his sisters. He would dive deep in the water, lurking near bottom, and then when he saw dolphins playing near a surface, he would swim as hard as he could towards them and try to bite their tails. But the dolphins always saw him coming, and they would come up out of the water, stand on their tails and whistle and giggle. They always managed to keep just out of reach of Simon's sharp teeth. Yes, children. Here, as I told you, Dudley the dolphin, two sisters. It had two sisters, but here Simon the shark, though he didn't have any brothers or sisters. No brothers and sisters for Simon shark children. So he swam alone. He swam alone in the water, children. Since there were no brothers and sisters, Simon shark swam alone in the water. No one play with Simon shark, Simon children. This made him grumpy. So even you two children, when you children play alone, how do you feel? We feel sad, lonely and boring. Playing alone is boring. Same way, Simon also felt grumpy. Grumpy. G-R-U-M-P-Y. Grumpy. G-R-U-M-P-Y. Grumpy. Grumpy means unhappy. Simon was grumpy. Simon was unhappy. Simon was unhappy. Simon was grumpy means unhappy. Grumpy, unhappy. Okay. Then what happened? But Simon's favorite hobby, Simon always would like to chase Dudley Dolphin and his sisters in the water, children. He would dive deeply. Simon the shark dived in the water deeply and he gone into the lurking near the bottom. What is that? Lurking. L-U-R-K-I-N-G. Lurking. What is the meaning of lurking, children? Hiding and waiting to attack. Hiding and waiting to attack. Lurking near the bottom. It goes to the deep of the water. Lurking means hiding. Lurking means here hiding and waiting to attack. Even children, when you play with your friends together, when you play with your friends together, what do you do when you play the hide and seek and other games? You go and hide somewhere quite far, no? Quite very, far away places you go and hide. That is lurking, lurking. Lurking means hiding and waiting to attack. Hiding and waiting to attack. So, same way, Simon also, it goes into the deep of the bottom of the sea and it was lurking. It was lurking near the bottom, means hiding and waiting to attack the sisters and the Dudley dolphin. Sisters of the Dudley dolphin. So, it tries to catch them. It tries to catch them. Catch the tails. Tails of the dolphin and sisters. But they would come out of the water as Simon the shark is about to catch the Dudley dolphin and their sisters. Immediately they come up of the water on the tails. On the tails they come up out of the water on their tails and they whistle and giggle. They whistle and giggle means they make fun of they tease the dolphin. They tease the Simon. Hey, see, you are unable to catch us. You are unable to catch us. They tease the Simon in such a way, children. Okay? I will continue in my next class the remaining part of the lesson, children. Thank you.